Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study higher math using an easy method. First, focus on truly understanding the core concepts rather than just memorizing formulas. This foundational knowledge is crucial for advanced topics. Next, make daily practice a non-negotiable part of your routine. Even short sessions build momentum. Finally, break down any daunting topic into smaller, more manageable parts to avoid feeling overwhelmed. This systematic approach makes learning much more accessible. Active learning is key to mastering higher math. Try explaining a concept to an imaginary student or a friend. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge. When working through problems, articulate each step you take and why you're taking it. Don't just write down answers. Additionally, leverage visual aids such as diagrams and graphs. They can simplify abstract ideas, making them much easier to grasp and remember. This engagement deepens your learning significantly. Approaching problems strategically makes a huge difference. Begin by identifying the specific type of problem and recalling the relevant theorems or methods. Then, challenge yourself to solve problems independently first. Resist the urge to immediately look at solutions. After your attempt, whether successful or not, thoroughly review your work. Especially for incorrect answers, pinpoint exactly where you went wrong. This reflective practice is invaluable for true learning and improvement. To maintain your progress in higher math, consistency is paramount. Set aside regular study times, even if it's just for 25 minutes daily. Small, consistent efforts yield big results. Don't hesitate to collaborate with classmates or study groups. Discussing difficult concepts with others can provide new perspectives and clarify misunderstandings. Remember, learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.